In today's show, Bitcoin halvings kick the BTC price up. History says $100,000 may be expected this time around. We're going to be breaking this down in today's show. We'll also be taking a look at Bitcoin halving history, as history tends to repeat itself. In other crypto news, despite a recent 15% bounce, the Bitcoin price is still bearish on the weekly. As we can see, there is a bearish sentiment in the market right now, with Bitcoin down 3.4% in the past 24 hours. We're going to be taking a look at what crypto analyst Nebraskan Gunnar has to share regarding the Bitcoin price potentially going down to the $6,300 range. All this plus so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every day. Be sure to smash that subscribe button and click the bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news. And to help celebrate the launch of our podcast, our sponsor, CMDX, the fastest growing health rewards cryptocurrency in the world, is giving away $25 worth of CMDX tokens absolutely free. For full details, click the link right below this video in the description. And before we kick off today's show, quick reminder, this December 11th, hedge fund market wizard Larry Benedict is hosting a live event. He's going to be sharing a secret he has used to generate $274 million in pure profit, and he's going to share with you how you can start using it yourself beginning December 11th. For full details and to register for this live event, click the link right below this video in the description. All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host, JV, and let's dive right into this next Bitcoin halving and a potential $100,000 price target in May of next year. The third BTC halvening is to take place with miners' rewards for each new block to be reduced in half. This means that twice as fewer Bitcoins will be issued, making Bitcoin a more scarce digital asset than previously. This was added to the Bitcoin algorithm by the creator or creators to prevent any inflation regarding Bitcoin. In a recent interview with John McAfee, who's running for president, by the way, called Bitcoin the first deflationary coin since 7 million Bitcoin have been lost forever. And I want you to think about that. 21 million Bitcoin ever created, 7 million of which are already gone forever, leaving us with a total supply of about 14 million. And there can never be more. Interesting, right? Scarce digital asset. That's why we refer to this as digital gold. So all eyes on 2020, $100,000 after the halving. Will it happen? Well, a crypto enthusiast, Crypto Einstein, known as Bitcoin Einstein on Twitter, with nearly 40,000 followers on Twitter, has posted a chart showing the rise of the Bitcoin price after each halving happening every 4 years. Taking a look at his tweet on Twitter, here's what he wrote: Bitcoin halving history. History always repeats itself. And I went ahead and shared this graph in the show notes below this video in the description so you can check it out for yourself. After the upcoming halving, some believe that the price of the father crypto may fall since a lot of miners may give up their business and quit. However, there's many who are positive that the BTC price will surge due to the halvening, the growth of the US debt, and more QE programs to come in the future. As per the chart shared, this time the Bitcoin price may be expected to hit an all-time high of $100,000. The chart states that the fourth and last halving will take the Bitcoin price as high as $300,000. Here's a crypto analyst who believes the Bitcoin price may surge to $14,000 before the halving. He shared on Twitter, Bitcoin could make an upward move above $9,800 and $10,000 before the halving. November, December are important months. Don't miss any of the dips this month. 13,000 to 14,000 on the cards before the halving. And taking a look at the top cryptocurrencies, we can see the bearish sentiment in the market as most of the major cryptos are in the red. Bitcoin down 3.6%, trading at $7,386. Ethereum down 2.7%, trading at $149. XRP down 2.3%, trading at 22.2 cents. Miss Litecoin down 2.26%, trading at $48.59. BNB coin down 2.4%, trading at $15.45. Leo one of the few in the green, up 1%, trading at 92 cents. Maker is in the deep blood red, down 7%, trading at $511. And Link is down 3.6%, trading at $2.17. In other crypto news, despite a 15% bounce, Bitcoin price is still bearish on the weekly. There's a popular trader, Nebraskan Gooner, who recently noted Bitcoin's weekly chart looks bearish. Again, in spite of the fact the recovery was seen after a strong move lower, the analyst specifically remarked that Bitcoin failed to break the key 99-week simple moving average and a horizontal zone of resistance, before adding that the increased buyer volume narrative is a clear misnomer that on the balance volume indicator saw a bearish retest. Here's what he shared on Twitter. Bitcoin weekly looks bearish. Logically, one more slight lower low is psychological pain to a lot of people. Plenty of break even and just below the last wick stop losses to hit. I expect slow bleed, lots of dip buying and being stopped out, then a fast dip with rapid absorption. And he shared this graph sharing should provide a bounce, but was sliced right through on the way up. So be cautious of the same happening on the way down. Original breakout seems to be around lower $4,000 area. So logically, that seems to be the ultimate retest area at some point before the next potential major bull run starts. And then he also pointed out regarding the volume, increased buyer volume is bullish. Don't let this fool you. More volume and unable to push back to even half of last week's candle right now. Not a bullish sign currently. And then he also shared on Twitter, the all-knowing Fractal says the top is likely in for now. Trendline breakdown retest looks completed. $6,300 incoming? Question mark. Will be interesting to see if it continues to play out. And he went ahead and shared this graph along with that tweet. And taking a look at some of the replies to that tweet, Zephyr responded, I was looking at something similar. Very loose idea though. Would love to see us go down there. Personally, I know a lot of people would love to see Bitcoin go down so they can load up on their bags naturally. Personally, I don't think I see Bitcoin going to 4,000, potentially 6,000, but I don't see it going below that. But then again, I do not give financial advice. I'm just a YouTuber. And if you're going to invest into cryptocurrency, please do so at your own risk. Benedict replied, looks to me like it has one more bar to go to around 8,000 area to still match the fractal. Of course, it could also overshoot a little and get up to the red resistance line around 8,200 for an even more likely place to reverse. Crypto Boy replied, yes, 6,000 to 6,300 incoming, and it won't be long. We might even go lower before we see another $10,000. Crypto Hulk replied, give me one more bounce and take my shorts. Nebraskan Gooner responded, yeah, Top Goon X is pretty bottomed on LTF, so I don't like entering short when it's low like that. Rather wait for a bounce if it happens. And then there were some responses. Detour replied, feeling the same. Maybe 77.60 is a good place to start shorting if the candles that take us there are weak. Nebraskan's fractal has been extremely accurate over the past few weeks. In fact, it predicted Bitcoin's dramatic price drop to 6,600 weeks before it took place, and the subsequent recovery to nearly 8,000 seen over the past few days. And talking about this fractal, it's the same one, which is an overlay of one of Bitcoin's previous market cycles, suggests that Bitcoin's trend line breakdown retest implies that Bitcoin has found a local top at $7,800. Should the fractal continue to play out, Bitcoin will head towards the $6,200 to $6,300 region in the coming 2 odd weeks, which would mark a drop of 20%. Fundamentals may support this. Upbit earlier this week was hacked for $50 million worth of Ethereum. We covered that story here on the show, and leading some to suggest that selling pressure from this event will depress the crypto market in the coming weeks. There has also been talk of how operators of the Plus token crypto scam could be dumping thousands of Bitcoins per day, leading to a natural downtrend in price. The total crypto market cap is $199 billion, with $61 billion in volume in the past 24 hours, and the current Bitcoin dominance is 66.5%. And taking a look at the top gainers in the past 24 hours, Molecular Future is up 15%, trading at $1.39. Solve is up 5.9%, trading at 13.1 cents. Hedge Trade is up 5.7%, trading at 71 cents. ALF is up 4%, trading at 6.8 cents. VeChain up 3.8%, trading at 0.006. Enigma is up 3.6%, trading at 54 cents. And Golem is up 3%, trading at 3.9 cents. And for the biggest losers in the past 24 hours, Mindall leading the pack, down 14%, trading at $2.59. Chili's down 10%, trading at 1 cent. Fetch down 8%, trading at 5.5 cents. Maker down 8%, trading at $507. Matic Network down 7%, trading at 2.6 cents. Algorand down 7%, trading at 25 cents, and Ardor down 7%, trading at 5 cents. And checking out the BitMEX margins, we can see the bears are in control, leading the way with 151 million in superiority in the past 24 hours, with shorts leading the pack 53.11% versus 46.89% longs. Are you bullish or bearish on Bitcoin? Let me know in the comments right down below. And taking a look at the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, right now we're rated a 25, which represents extreme fear. Yesterday was rated a 38 with fear, and last week was extreme fear with a 17. If you're not familiar with the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried. That can be a buying opportunity like we're in right now. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and journeying along with me inside of this incredible crypto revolution. If you haven't done so already, be sure to smash that subscribe button and click the bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news. I drop a brand new episode every day, so be notified by clicking that bell to receive all the notifications so you don't miss a beat on what's going on inside the crypto market. And before I go, just a quick reminder, December 11th, hedge fund market wizard Larry Benedict is hosting a live event, and he's going to be sharing a secret he has used to generate $274 million in pure profit. This is a live event you're not going to want to miss. To register, click the link right below the video. In the description, it's going to take you to this page. Simply enter your best email to register. It's free to do so, and that's going to lock in your spot during this live event on December 11th. I look forward to seeing you there, and I'll see you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.